Hello, welcome again. We are solving general aptitude of GATE 2023 of Civil Engineering Paper 2. Question number 6 to 10 carry 2 marks each. Question number 6 is Elvis Land is a country that has peculiar beliefs and practices. They express almost all their emotions by gifting flowers. For instance, if anyone gifts a white flower to someone, then it is always taken to be a declaration of one's love for that person. In a similar manner, the gifting of a yellow flower to someone often means that one is angry with that person. Based only on the information provided above, which one of the following sets of statements can be logically inferred with certainty? 1. In Elvis Land, one always declares one's love by gifting a white flower. 2. In Elvis Land, all the emotions are declared by gifting flowers. 3. In Elvis Land, sometimes one expresses one's anger by gifting a flower that is not yellow. 4. In Elvis Land, sometimes one expresses one's love by gifting a white flower. Option A only 2, option B 1, 2 and 3, option C 1, 3 and 4, option D only 4. So here 4 is correct because according to 4 sometimes one expresses one's love by gifting a white flower in endlessly. And but there are other ways of expressing their love rather than exchanging flowers. So this is not always the case. So in first it is given that one always declares one's love by gifting a white flower. That is not correct. Only 4 is correct. Sometimes one expresses one's love by gifting a white flower, and sometimes one expresses one's anger by gifting flower that is not yellow. Yellow anger, yellow flower represents the anger, so that is also not correct. And all emotions are declared by gifting flower. No other, there are other ways of expressing emotions also. So one always declare one's love by gifting a white flower, so that is always is not correct. Sometime is correct. So answer is option D, only 4.